Now we will analyze these two circuits. Here in the first circuit, electric cell, the potential or voltage of this cell is V, here resistance is R, A, B, C, D. CD part of this circuit is connected with the ground. Therefore, the potential of the lower end of this cell is 0. Here negative terminal of the cell is connected with ground, therefore its potential is 0. As the voltage of the cell is V, therefore this is 0 volt and this will be V volt, that is positive or higher potential is at V volt and lower potential it is at 0 volt. Higher potential V, lower potential 0, and therefore potential difference is V minus 0 is equal to V. Here current flowing, suppose current flowing through this circuit is I and here resistance is R. Therefore we can write I is equal to potential difference between the two ends of this resistance. Here the potential difference is V. Therefore current I is equal to V divided by R. In the second circuit, here AB part is connected with the ground, therefore this part is at 0 potential, that is higher potential is at 0 volt. As the voltage of the electric cell is V volt, therefore lower terminal of the cell must be minus V. Here higher potential is at 0, as the potential difference is V, therefore negative or lower terminal of the cell will be minus V volt. Here higher potential at 0 volt and lower potential minus V volt. If we subtract minus V from 0, then we will get 0 minus minus V. This will be V, that is potential difference is V volt. In this case potential difference between two ends, that is B and C point, is V volt and resistance is R. Therefore in this case I is equal to V divided by R. Here higher potential at V volt, lower potential at 0 volt. Current is I is equal to V divided by R. Here higher potential is at 0 volt and lower potential is at minus V volt, and in this case current I is equal to V divided by R. In the two circuits, current flowing through the circuits are same, I is equal to V divided by R, and here also I is equal to V divided by R. Here potential at a point of first circuit and at a point of the second circuit are different. Here potential at A is V and potential at A is 0. Here potential at D is 0 and here at D is minus V volt, but the current flowing through the circuit is same because potential difference is same. Here potential difference is V and here potential difference is also V. Therefore current flowing through the two circuits are same. Now we will analyze this circuit. Here the question is determine the voltage at points A, B, C and D of the circuit in figure. We have to determine the potential or voltage at point A, B, C and D. Here electric cell E and its potential difference or voltage is 3 volt. Here resistance 1 ohm, here resistance 2 ohm, and current flowing through this circuit is I. Here current flowing is I. At first we have to determine the current flowing through the circuit. We know current flowing I is equal to V divided by R. Here voltage is equal to 3 volt and R means the equivalent resistance of the circuit. This is a series circuit. Later we will discuss about equivalent resistance in series combination and equivalent resistance in parallel combination. Here resistance 1 ohm and resistance 2 ohm. In series circuit 1 ohm resistance and 2 ohm resistance are connected in series, therefore their equivalent resistance will be 1 ohm plus 2 ohm, that is equivalent resistance in series circuit is equal to R1 plus R2. By this rule the equivalent resistance of this circuit is 1 ohm plus 2 ohm is equal to 3 ohm, that is V is equal to 3 volt and equivalent resistance of this circuit is 1 plus 2 ohm. This is equal to 3 divided by 3 volt, 3 ohm. This is equal to 1 ampere. That is current flowing through this circuit is 1 ampere. Now, as the CD part is connected with earth, therefore, potential at D point or C point is 0 volt, because the C and D points are connected with the earth. That is, lower part or lower terminal of the cell is connected with the earth, therefore, its potential is 0 volt. As the voltage of the cell is 3 volt, therefore, the higher potential must be 3 volt, lower potential 0 volt, and this part is higher potential, therefore, it will be 3 volt. That is, potential at point A is 3 volt. We can write this at A, V is equal to 0, V is equal to 3 volt, and potential at C and D are 0 volt, because C and D are connected with the ground. Now, we have to determine the potential at B point. At A point, potential is 3 volt, and at B point we have to determine the potential. Now, current flowing through the 1 ohm resistance is 1 ampere. Here current I is 1 ampere. Therefore, potential difference between the 2 points of the resistance 1 ohm, that is A point and B point, we have to determine the potential difference by this formula. I is equal to, we know I is equal to V divided by R. Suppose potential difference between these 2 points A and B is V1 and here resistance is 1 ohm. Therefore, we can write this V1 divided by 1. Here I is equal to 1 ampere, therefore, we can write 1 is equal to V1 divided by 1, that is V1 is equal to 1 into 1 volt. That is, potential difference between A point and B point by this formula is 1 volt. Here potential at A is 3 volt and potential difference between A point and B point is 1 volt. Here 3 volt, then B must be 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 volt, because potential difference is 1 volt. Therefore, we can write potential at B, V is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 volt, because potential difference is 1 volt and here potential is 3 volt, and we know potential at C and D are 0, because C and D points are connected with the earth. At C, V is equal to 0 volt, at D, V is equal to 0 volt. We can verify this by the Ohm's law. Here potential at point C is 0, at point is 2 volt. Here at point A 3 volt, at point B 2 volt, here 0 volt, here 0 volt. Now, we know current I is equal to 1 ampere and here resistance is 2 ohm. Therefore, potential difference V is equal to I into R. Here I is equal to 1 ampere and resistance is 2 ohm. Therefore, potential difference is 2 volt. Here potential is 0 volt and here potential is 2 volt. Therefore, potential difference is 2 volt minus 0 volt, that is 2 volt. It is verified by the Ohm's law.